Giving directions. 2 new shops have opened in the town center. Follow our directions to find them. Arden's treasure chest. This shop sells amazing products for your home. All the products are based on movies. To find it, turn left when you leave the train station. Go straight for 2 blocks and turn right at the lights. You will see Arden's on the left. Lake of Sounds. This new music store has the biggest selection of music in town. To find it, turn right from the train station and go straight. Walk past the park and turn left on Beach Street. Walk down Beach Street and take your second right. You'll see Lake of Sounds on the left.